Ended up getting this BlueFinger gaming keyboard, mouse, and mousepad combo on Amazon, and I really like the way that this is actually set up. Let's look inside the package and see how it looks like. So when you open it up, this is how the mouse and keyboard and mousepad looks like. Everything is wired, nothing is wireless, but I really like the form of this mouse. I love the RGB lighting. Everything is very, very smooth. I love the shape of it. Here is the keyboard. The keyboard is also RGB as well. It does not include the number pad on the side here. The keys are very, very smooth. And here is the mat. Very cool, very nice. Love the red border outline. You're able to change the features and the colors for each thing for the mouse or the gaming keyboard using this. Shows you the features of each right here. But overall, if you're looking for a very efficient mouse keyboard combo with an extra bonus of a mouse pad, this might be the one for you. Thank you so much to the brand for reaching out and sending me this in exchange for an honest review. Highly recommend.